Here present, the founder and chief instructor of Arman's English Club, MD Arman sir, and also present with us, the head of faculty of Arman's, along with other honorable teachers. And as a special guest, we also have with us MD Ariful sir, the CEO of IELTS Fusion. And my dear brothers and classmates, to all of you, I extend my heartfelt greetings and again take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I stand here with a heart full of emotions. It's hard to believe that our 2 months journey at Arman's English Club has come to an end. What once felt like a beginning has now become a beautiful memory. I remember my first day at Arman's English Club. I was a little bit nervous and unsure, but the support, the kindness, and the encouragement from our respected teachers made me feel like I belonged. At first, to Arman sir, thank you. Such a powerful platform to learn English that changed lives. And your vision and dedication are definitely inspiring. Then I would like to say to our chief guest, MD Alamgir Kabir sir, your gracious presence here help us to dream bigger. And to my fellow learners, though today is our farewell ceremony, but our bond will remind us that we were one, we were a family. And at last, I want to say a line, what's appeared to be end may really a new beginning. And we all know that people aren't over their mistakes. So kindly pardon my omissions and keep me on your prayers so I can achieve my goals. Thank you everyone. Thank you for listening me.